New arrival Monday morning, Porsche 911 Turbo Coupe with beautiful spec, 12,000 miles, Gentian Blue, great colour. It's a turbo, so the performance out of these cars really is massive. 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds, just under 600 brake horsepower, does 199 mile an hour. Fast car, four-wheel drive, fantastic coupe. Priced at 124,990. Extras, let me talk about the extras. Gentian Blue is a colour. Then you've got Porsche LED matrix lights with the PDLS Plus lights. They are the best headlights you can put on any Porsche 911. Front axle lift at the front, which is a big one. Turbo wheels, diamond cut with the grey insert. You've got black calipers. They're actually £600 as an option for the calipers in high gloss black. Then you've got sunroof. It's all de-chromed around the window, so it looks really, really well. Then you've got them side vents with it being a turbo. Big, wide back body to the car. It's a 72, full Porsche service history. As we move around the rear, another big option. It's got sports exhaust. I think it's about 2,500, and the sports exhaust has got the black tips again. It's got rear sensors, front sensors, and ParkAssist and surround camera. Another key optional extra. Moving on inside. Starting here with a door card. So we've got crayon stitching. You've got 14-way electric memory seats, which is paid for as an option. We've got Bose sound system. You've got crayon seat belts. You've got heated GT steering wheel. It's lovely inside. It's got a tracker system on the car as well, which, you know, a lot of these performance cars we're selling, it is a must for insurance companies. So it has that. And then if we just get the car fired up. Condition's lovely. Guy came at the weekend who we purchased it from. It's all been looked after, maintained correctly. So put the drive mode on there. You've got your sports exhaust, so the car sounds absolutely superb. And then you've got your axle lift button there as well. Sunroof, so you've got tilt and you've got opening. Again, important extra for me. Button under here for your heated steering wheel, just press the button again, a big one. And then if we just show you the camera system, so you've got full surround camera system as well as the front and back sensors. And then you've got your other features, your navigation, your Bluetooth, your cruise control, but it's got all the right things. Axle lift, sports exhaust, the seats, the sound system, the right wheels. Lane assist, another big extra. I think it was about £1,000 as an option. 4 seats. Beautiful condition, full Porsche service history, great car. It's going to go live on all our platforms, priced at 124,990. If you require any more info, the number is on the screen. Thank you for watching.